a little update. I hope you can see something. I cannot. I'm blinded by the light. Get off of me, bug. Sorry. Now, I'm happy to announce that the whole back wall has been rebuilt, all new stud work, and well, it's almost done, but I'm interrupted because I promised my sister I'd finish her landscaping rock moving today. Help and advice for some of you newer hams. If the family demands your help, help them. If you've made a promise to help a family member, keep your promise. If the family tells you to mow the grass, tell them to go fuck themselves. Tell them you'll do it later. So, it brings me to the test vertical. It's tuned perfectly, the bands are cracking wide open, and no one's using 17 meters. So I have an idea. Now there's a counterpoise wire, isn't it? You know what, man? There's one. Hang on. Support rope. Support rope. Ooh, no wonder my mower blade got dull. "17-meter test vertical." I have removed everything that keeps you feel grounded in life. I have removed your entire support structure. And you know what, man? You know what, man? I'm sick of you. 73 vertical. We have. Hang on. Now, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I've got a strip, a little landing strip. Wait, some Americans have a different meaning for that phrase. Regardless, I have my landing strip. My antenna supports are now dry. My antenna supports are now approximately 3 inches long. And I'm ready to toss a piece of speaker wire on the ground and work some DX with it. Stay tuned, Terry Morris. More to come.